Good morning. Well, good midday. The guys have been here. They dug out the existing pond. They cleaned out, pulled the liner, pulled everything out. Just got a pile of dirt, big pile of concrete. Got to get rid of that. And then tomorrow we're going to restart sculpting and building this waterfall in here. So this is our canvas we have. Very pretty backyard. We want to have a waterfall for this area. So we've got our supplies. We have a whole bunch of the stone still here we have to deal with tomorrow. Our boulders are on the outside, so let's make sure we can make this all work. I got a pipe fitting I'm going to check to make sure the sizing works, and let's see how this is going to work out. Hello, flamingo ladies. We are working on building a waterfall into his pool. There was one there before, and on top there was a whole bunch of cement, and they actually had a liner in here, but below it is all cement. So currently guys are trying to chip out to get the stuff out of the way so we can start to level this area out. But yeah, nice cement laid in there for us to work with. At least it's in full sun. Day two, we came back here because we didn't finish everything. I had to get out of here. We got some boulders still to use, some to go back, but got to go in and finish the edges and the finish treatment. Guys are working on getting the lights in, doing the edge treatment, everything, and mulching it. And then like that, we'll be out. But let's see, you'll probably see, have a time lapse finishing up right about now.